Hello. Hello. My name is Gustavo Salvador Almaraz Gonzalez. I am a civil engineering student at the Oaxaca Technological Institute. In this video, I'm going to explain the process that must be carried out in a paving work before, during, and after the installation of the asphalt layer. Keep in mind that this is in the case of the flexible pavement, and more specifically, a hot mix asphalt pavement. Before paving, the construction resident reviews the sections to be paved so that it is in a position to receive the asphalt layer. Subsequently, the impregnation irrigation and the lake irrigation are applied on the surface to be paved. These penetrate the surface so that it adheres to the asphalt layer. The material used is called emulsion and is applied with special trucks called oilers. The asphalt mix truck is transported to the construction site where it is received by the construction resident. The temperature with which the asphalt mixture is received range between 150 and 165 degrees centigrade. If it is not within the parameters mentioned, it should not be received. To start with the installation of the asphalt mixture, the truck must back up straight against the paver and stop before it will make contact with the front rollers of the paver. The truck body must be raised slowly to avoid segregation of the mixture and avoid pour the mixture of the paver. The mixture is sprayed with special machines called finishers, decided to place the mixture on the surface at the uniform temperature in a weight and thickness determined by the project and provides a pre-compactation of the pavement. The application temperature must be controlled to obtain a quality result and a long-lasting asphalt layer. Compactation is the final stage of the hot mix asphalt installation operations. In this stage, the full strength of the mix is developed and the smoothness and texture of the mud are established. After the application of the asphalt folder to the entire section of the project, it will be compacted. Compactation with double smooth roller. At this stage, the asphalt layer acquires stability, cohesion, and impermeability, which translates into resistant, durable, and smooth wearing courses. Tire compactation. In this compactation, the space through which air and water can penetrate the carpet and cause less duration or detachment are closed. Finally, an average time of 1 to 2 weeks is given to be able to apply the traffic paint. Before it is not recommended signs, the asphalt continues to release solvents. After successfully executing each of these concepts, the paving work is concluded and the executing agency is notified to carry out the corresponding verification. Thank you.